Test drive time in a beautiful 79 Chevy Corvette. When I mean beautiful, this thing does not have many flaws at all. This is going to be a very easy video. I mean, look at the paint. Just a gorgeous car, new interior. Awesome sounding exhaust. It's just a really nice car. So this is going to be an easy test drive video for us today. I'll still be picking out flaws. I'm looking for stuff that's wrong with it. There's just not a whole lot. But look at the 100 detailed pictures. We do have financing and shipping available. For now, hit subscribe, share. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right. It is test drive time again. This one is just going to be easy. I'm just telling you that. Look at the interior. Check this thing out. It smells new in here. Everything looks like it's been replaced. Somebody had fun building this car, I can tell you that. And I know they dumped some money into it. They did stick a aftermarket gauge here. We've got the engine temperature sitting at 200. That one's broke all to get out. Look at that. It's gone. Probably need to stop, get some gas. And of course, got some good oil pressure here. Try the radio. Guess the radio works. It's all the way up. We'll say whoever redid this car didn't want to mess with the radio, but it ain't doing anything, so it's not working. Blower motor also needs a little work there. It's not 100% complete. It needs a few things. Looks wise, it's ready though, and engine wise, it's rumbling like NASCAR, you know. Turn signal popping up on the dash. Tach. Surprised they didn't get the tach hooked up. Wipers, they need a little love too, I guess, because they ain't working. Horn, after all that, do you think the horn works? It does have the telescoping steering wheel. The windows definitely go up and down pretty good. Oh, got to open the door on this side to close that window. Let's try it. Yep, it does close, but you got to open that door. T-top's looking pretty sweet. Horn? I kind of figured it didn't honk since they got a few little electronics in here that need to be redone. Well, let's hit the road and we'll see what else we can find. Here we go, taking off down the road. Of course, anything that I see on this test drive, I will point out. All right, we're set. Engine on this one sounds good, man. Brakes already feeling decent. It looks like the speedometer is trying to work here. Let's take off. Yeah, speedo's working. Pretty smooth going down the road. Does look like there's a little bit of a push to the left. You see it kind of going over the line. It's not bad though. Oh no, that could be the road. Look, now we're going back this way. Steering seems fine. Sorry, I've been sneezing today. It got warm all of a sudden. I think some allergies are getting kicked up. Anyway, steering's tight. Brakes smooth. Throttle. That's good as well. I actually think we're okay on gas. It's floating around a quarter tank, so I don't think we need to stop and get any today, which is good. Because most of the time I always have to stop. I shouldn't this time. So we'll shoot over to the parking lot, do our thing, light up the undercarriage, and go to picking out the flaws. Because I do got another one as well to do today, so we're going to keep rolling on all these cars. This one's such a cherry. I don't think it's gonna stick around very long. It's what we call a little cream puff. That's a good thing. All right, I will be back. I don't know, it's sitting on a corner, but the low fuel light come on. Maybe I should have went to the gas station. It's probably because I'm gassing it and the float's coming back. That's all it is. All right, I'll be back. right, let's head on back to the lot. Engine temperature's at 190. Well, come on, lady. I was gonna zoom. Maybe this Dodge will zoom. There we go. Like I said, this ride here, super smooth. You're gonna love it. There we go. He's hopping on out of the way now, I think. Oh, he's got a tail light out, that's why. There we go. We got the zoom. Call me Speedy, Speedy Gonzalez. one's fast, it's fun, it's beautiful, and I'm not just saying that. Wait till you see picking out the flaws. You're gonna love the paint job, the interior. It does have a few electrical things that need to be buttoned up, but it's so close to being finished. I mean, running and driving wise, just leave it alone, it's good. Speed bump in the road, super smooth, like it wasn't even there. What do you got? You got your tach to fix, the radio to fix, the blower motor to fix, the wipers to fix. And if you want the temp gauge up here, you've got the gauge there. You might be able to put it up there, or just buy a new one of these factory ones and pop it in. Then you won't have to have that under your dash. Other than that, horn, yeah, and you're good. We're getting ready to pull back into Maple Motors. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. So stick around for that. I sure hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, hit that like button, hit share, and hit subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you will know about it. This is a beautiful Corvette. Very minimal flaws coming around the front. See, it's got a newer paint job on it. It's got nice interior. This should be an easy walk. We got some light blemishes in the back here, and I think that's just where it needs to be buffed a little better. Just super clean. If they all come like this, I don't think I'd have a job. Even the seals are in good shape. T-tops look great. This is definitely the easiest test drive of the week. Tires are in good shape too. Rims look great. Put around the fender well here. Little spots there. Looks like the light caught it as it come up. I mean, just easy. You can tell this has been taken care of. It's sitting in somebody's garage. This is gonna be a quick sell, I'm sure. Let's check out the interior. I mean, it's like new. It's a good driver car, but it's also borderline show. I mean, look how nice it is. Got some, oh, that'll come off, it's just grease. Carpet's been replaced. Seat's been replaced. I can't get it to come up though. Maybe I'm missing a button here. It even smells new in here. Takes just a second to warm up. Your visor does like to creep down. You can see where they put tape on it to try to make it stay still. Sometimes you can push them over and they will. Engine's super quiet. Got a great idle. When it's warm. Hood shuts perfectly. Little blemish on the edge here. Don't forget, there is 100 detailed pictures on this car. If you have any questions over any other areas, I'll go over it, but this is sharp. I do appreciate you watching. I know this was super quick, but when they're nice like this, what do you pick? Hey, I'm gonna head back to the lot, grab another one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.